Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Monday, August 8, 2022 on our channel. Air-cooled chiller of Kaltra's flagship lineup delivered to Scotland. SMI has officially opened a new two-storey manufacturing area at its Telford-based headquarters. Lineage Logistics acquires cold storage Nelson in New Zealand. So, first news today. Air-cooled chiller of Kaltra's flagship lineup delivered to Scotland. Kaltra handed over a low GWP chiller from its most innovative, ERP 2021 compliant Lightstream Screw 2 lineup to the client in the UK. Equipped with the latest Bitzer screw compressor technology with stepless capacity regulation and advanced oil management, configured for high process water temperature delta, and running on HFO 1234Z refrigerant with near zero environmental impact, this 800 kilowatts air-cooled chiller offers excellent seasonal efficiency, SEPRA height value of 6. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. SMI has officially opened a new two-storey manufacturing area at its Telford-based headquarters. The expansion is the result of a tenfold increase of in-house manufacturing capabilities at the fast-growing company, which sells thermal insulation products across the world. SMI has spent the past 2 months creating the purpose-built new machining, cutting and manufacturing area at its Stafford Park site. The walls have been insulated with the company's industry-leading thermal protection material, Tempro, which proved its credentials by keeping the building cool on the hottest day in UK history. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Lineage Logistics acquires cold storage Nelson in New Zealand. Lineage Logistics, LLC, the world's largest and most innovative temperature-controlled industrial right and logistics solutions provider, announced it has acquired leading New Zealand cold storage business, Cold Storage Nelson Limited, CSN. Financial terms of the transaction were not disclosed. CSN has industry-leading skills in inventory control, compliance and traceability, Mr. Jeff Rivera, Lineage's Global Chief Operations Officer, said. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.